did not look at any side. So ginawa ko lang, I just copied and pasted all of their essays and put author. Siya nag-dito. And then next, author, ganyan. So I was saying, I didn't really think it would amount to much. Until one day, people from Ateneo and UP professors started emailing me, asking permission if we can, si Sir Joy pa nga una nakita na graduated daw sa study nila. And parang ko, and then it got really
Kakilala naman tayo.
So, and then I started teaching literature in English. And since nasimulan ko na yung blog, gawa ko ng website, ay
Formal yun.
Hindi pa niya usually happy that. Then kita kayo sa TV, ganito mo. It's about the cross between social disabilities and language. So, yung sumikat yung national. So, ang ginawa ko dito, lahat ng assignment nila, kanya pinakapasok sila ng part nila sa story. Tapos susulat sila ako din. Susulat din ako. So, dapat minsan and then here on the side, I linked all of their blogs here so that I would have an easier time to check.
So,
and I also get to track the life of my class namin. Like si Harry Santos, nag-OJT na ito ngayon. So ginamit niya ito para sa receipt. Pero ngayon, nag-blog na yun na tuwang ako sa example pages
generalize naman
hindi yan magkain. But he still keeps it. The nice thing about vlogging is that unless you take it down, it will always be there. And even if you take it down, it will be there kasi maka-attach siya. Gano'n siya. Yun. So, dapat siya mag-galing. That's and then, with Edu20.org is like a virtual classroom that I use. I have long left this young because I felt
that's the point.
And I cannot do anything more than just upload files while I wanted more interaction. Now, here, you can just join Edu20.org as a school, make an account, you can make an account for school, invite teachers, and then when the teachers are in, the teachers can take separate classes. And then they invite students, or they ask students to enroll in class. And then in
now,
here,
you
right you can have all your grading system there, you can put up your syllabus there,
so,
assignments,
neutral ka, it's not a learning management system.
Like long assignments. So, nandun na lahat, para extension siya ng class. Yun din, another benefit of that is that if you get stuff, you should get documented.
We move forward.
Hindi ko na kailangan mag-upload sa next class, pag you have an event, pag dali mo lang mas guest mo din yun, all of your assignments are still there. You can just hide it for now, and then you make it
Now, if you want to proceed, you have to
every time I have
again, do that. You have to
Oo, ganun nga siya. May structure ka na kasi parang
corporate mo
oh, parang din. But I found this kasi nauna na lang kasi.
mix ba tayo number ba tayo?
So, yeah, and this is free. That's what I like about Edu20. Yeah.
Dahil talk about love.
Yeah. Pwede yata. Pero maganda din. Like, for example, later
So, again, it can be about
teaching that. You
functionality.
can share materials with that teacher. And then I made another document for my English learning classes much later.
According to them. Okay. Having said that, it's good to be
This one, what is, naging start ko kasi ng ano eh, nag-venture ako ulit. So, the same with
Pwede lang, may mga batch.
Pero ngayon, dahil nakasin ko kung gusto ko rin ng vlog. Siguro ako nag-board, iba ka nag-board na siguro. Yung ginawa ko is, instead of vlogging, I asked them to write the research paper, pero hindi ko pa ng research paper, make a website from a really good website host called 110 MB. So ako din, in-explore ko muna. Tapos lahat kami, parang nangangapa, nagtuturoan kami kung paano gamitin 110 MB. But I did not regret anything because I came out with really good results from there. So ang tanong ko lang sa English 1 klase ko is, what is your hometown? Parang nakuha ko yun dun sa ano eh, sa in-attendant ko na seminar ni Sir Joel Munan dati, si Miriam. And then, what do you know about your hometown that no one else or very few? So what I did was search on YouTube, here, Santa Rosa, Wikipedia, and other URLs. Ano pa dyan yung alam niyo kasi nakatira kayo dyan borderline din, na hindi nila alam. So, the results are just really nice. For example, sa Makola, itong batang to bumagsak na sa akin ng English 1 before, namin sa US. Si Makola is Santa Rosa, so she focused on yung ako, yung klase sa Pagpil de Santa Rosa. Yan. Kasi wala ko masyadong nakakaalam ng
Parang di po pala.
Parang gano'n. Tapos, hindi pero may lumang itsura dyan ng arko na sobrang iba dun sa itsura ng arko ngayon. And then, pag-basta yung pala yan dati ng mga sumasalakay. So, actually, hindi ko malalaman sa kayong water elite tayo.
Mga vanilla yun, maraming tayo ng bagong flavor.
Because she got the Now, happy.
4% lang daw ang pinapost related sa
Happy in Laguna. Pero pangalan ng bata pa
pero
ang ano niya is, nakikinig siya sa all the time. So, sabi siya mag-select ng Facebook. So,
sa challenge
paano yung difference kung bata siya, picture na sa discuss yung so, yung better off way to take a picture.
tapos ka na,
From her point of view, at least was ang action na
babalasan ang problem kasi magutapos
so, may pwede na siya.
ang lalabas pa dyan, paano kayo nalaya sa mga release?
Pwede na siya magsasabi ko, kasi baka
The other finding guys, diba?
and then I have foreign students. So this is Mia from came from South Korea. So he made the site for to introduce what Jeju Island is.
Which is actually
And then what's good about this island?
relevant.
In English, kasi meron na about Jeju Island, pero walang English. So wala pa Asis naman,
Mga friends nila,
wala siya may isip kasi lahat ng klase niya, ang ganda ng topic na pagsa Santa Rosa eh. Sabi ko, ano lang gusto mo sa Santa Rosa? Yung street food. Kasi sabi ko, din nag-share mo, ang dami. Ang haba ng lista, kumuha ka na ng isa. Pinili niya yung problem. Kasi wala masyadong nakakalam kung ano yung problem. So sa kanya ko natutunan na yung problem pala yung problem nila. So tama pala tayo, problem. Hindi pala siya yung parang parang ibang Tagalog.
Problem Kisar?
Well, it's above the gizzard. Ito, what is problem? Ito, this is the gizzard.
Oh, yes. That's right.
Alright, that's right.
allows
I think so, and then nag-interview siya ng vendor. Ito yung recipe.
Proventriculus.
Yeah.
Tama.
Lalo na sa
But of course, kasi that is not a research topic or it's not research. I think that's
So, co-creation is the
this one is expanded.
finding someone who is put this together. Create, a revolution.
So what we showed about this paper is this was he lived in a town in Japan that seemed to be stuck in time. First time he did. Kasi talaga sa and he wanted to disclose that yes, Japan
Legal
is
official
known
leader.
for the traditional and the unmoving and stoic. Parang talagang similar tradition. Yun lang. So, I like the internet because it does the job of documenting for me. It does the job of sharing. And then it also puts pressure on the students to make their work really good because it's going to be displayed. And plagiarism also, it takes out the chance of plagiarism. Sabi ko sa kanila, nandali lang i-Google search yan. Kapag may, di ba, pwede kayo mag-Google.
Tactical.
Takot sila.